I can tell you that I don't know anybody who's more of a gentleman, who is more loyal, who is more committed to excellence than Mr. Rooney. And I think that actually, if we had some of these businesses with employees who were there for a longer term, were more loyal, they weren't worried about their jobs being shipped overseas, that would actually be good for the economy as a whole, and would be good for businesses here as a whole.
And he, first of all, has done, I think, a remarkable job of being a loyal prime minister, but not being involved in the political imbroglio that's going on, except to try to keep calm.
So from that point of view, Ireland will continue to be a very strong and loyal friend of the United States, and we will work with the authorities and the political process to the benefit of both countries.
And does their fair share. Or if you stepped up, did your job, and were loyal to your company, that loyalty would be rewarded with a decent salary and good benefits. Maybe a raise once in a while. If you did the right thing, you could make it. They believed in a country where everyone gets a fair shake and does their fair share. Or if you stepped up, did your job, and were loyal to your company, that loyalty would be rewarded with a decent salary and good benefits. Maybe a raise once in a while.
As you know from her words, she is a loyal and influential advocate for the design innovation and the National Design Awards.
We can remember Kendall Waters Bay, a proud father, a proud son of Baltimore, who was described by a fellow service member as a light in a very dark world. And we can remember David Hickman, a freshman in high school when the war began, a fitness fanatic who half-jokingly called himself Zeus, a loyal friend with an infectious laugh. And there in Benghazi, as he tended to others, he laid down his life, loyal as always, protecting his friends.
Incredibly loyal. They are dedicated and hardworking, and they have what it.
They've been loyal, shown such great friendship to me, and I'm so glad that they have gone ahead and taken the plunge.
Help us to lift up our eyes to behold beyond the things which are seen and temporal, the things which are unseen and eternal, that we may be steadfast and loyal always.
On the resolution to authorize the use of force, one of the big challenges right now isn't just Republicans, but it's from some of your loyal Democrats.
And I remain loyal to you, Mr. President.
I have workers who are loyal to you, and in fact, those companies we discovered at the summit who provide that kind of flexibility usually have more productive workers, harder working workers, more loyal workers, lower turnover, and the companies end up being more profitable.
It does not matter whether you are from Vilnius, Estonia, or Plainfield, New Jersey, whether you are from Saaremaa or Hawaii. The commitment, dedication, and loyal service of you all is beyond price.
And when an employer ends up being committed like that, what they've discovered is that they will not have a more loyal employee who will go to bat for them, work harder, be more productive, because they've been given a second chance. And so